All right. So, hey, Kara,
Hi.
where are we?
We are in Waikiki Beach.
Waikiki Beach. Let's go take a look over here. So, we're out here in Waikiki enjoying the beautiful views out here. Look at that. Look at the mountains in the background.
It's so beautiful.
Kara's going to go to the beach. You're going to go sit on the beach, right?
Yep, gonna go to the beach for a little bit.
So, she's going to go to the beach. So, today, we're going on a
Glass bottom boat.
glass bottom boat.
I saw one. There's some out there.
Yeah. So, we're going to go on the glass bottom boat today. And then tomorrow, we're going to do
Tantalus. Tantalus, it's a mountain.
Oh yeah, we do some mountain views. And
I don't know, I don't have my phone.
Oh.
You want me to look at it?
she lost the itinerary.
No, I got it right here.
Okay. So we're going to do a lot of stuff out here.
Oh,
Right now,
we're supposed to get a massage tomorrow.
we're doing massages tomorrow. And but check out this beautiful hotel right here. See. Check out this pretty motel right here. You see it?
It's so gorgeous.
And you got a bunch of pretty hotels all around over here. So we're going to have fun. All right?
We have so much stuff planned.
Yeah, we got like every day that we're here. We just got here yesterday. We had to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning to leave
Yesterday.
Chicago.
Yep.
Then we
Flew for 12 hours.
Yeah, it was like 12 hours altogether with the layover time in Seattle. And then we got here and we had to go to a graduation party
Yep, for my best friend's daughter.
for our best friend's daughter, Ariana. Congratulations, Ariana, if you're watching this. And we were so exhausted yesterday. We didn't have time to do anything else but the party.
That's all right. I got up at like 4 o'clock this morning.
4
took a
o'clock
shower.
this morning because it was
4,
Honolulu time.
like 9 o'clock at home. Is it 5 hours or 6
9
hours?
and 10 o'clock.
Is it
I think
six?
it's like 6 hour difference. It might be 5 hour difference. But it
I think
was
it's 5.
4 o'clock seemed late to us because we're up and we walked to Walmart and
Yeah.
did a little
We
shopping
walked
and
to
stuff.
Walmart. 2
Yeah.
miles to Walmart.
Yeah, we did a 2-mile walk to Walmart.
It was nice
and
at
caught an Uber back.
5:30 in the morning.
Yeah. Walmart opened at 6.
Yeah.
So we made it. We got there around 6:30 after the walk. But it was a nice ride. We got to see some stuff. And
Then we went to breakfast, and now
we
we're
went
at
to
the beach.
breakfast at Denny's. Yep. And now we're at the beach, and we got this whole week just
Packed.
booked. The whole week is booked.
Do you want me to read it off?
Yeah, you can read it off. So they would know some of the things we're gonna have to do this week, and we're gonna share it all with you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, please. It's a new channel, so we're just trying to get some subscribers.
So Friday, today, the glass bottom boat.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow, the massage, and then Tantalus Lookout.
Okay.
Sunday, the Circle Island tour.
Oh yeah, we take a tour
It's
around the
from-
whole island, and they tell us like some history of the island, and we go to the
It's
Dole
like 18
plantation.
stops or something.
It's like it's a full day. It's a
From
full
7
day.
a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Yeah.
Then Monday we do Pearl Harbor, and then we do another catamaran,
Oh yeah.
another boat ride.
Yeah.
that
I'm looking
boat-
forward to.
But that one we can jump off and go swimming.
Oh yeah, we go snorkeling on there.
Yeah, on that one.
And I look forward to Pearl Harbor because I
Yeah.
always like the history of that and everything. And by the way, this is like the first time that we had U.S. casualties on U.S. soil at the Pearl Harbor on December 7th, 1941,
Then
7:55 in the morning.
Yeah. Then Tuesday is Lorenzo's birthday.
Tuesday is my birthday.
We're getting a slingshot.
Yep, we'll be renting a slingshot, taking some rides to the mountains on that.
And it's all about Lorenzo. Lorenzo loves the zoo.
Yep,
So
we
we're
gotta
going
go to the zoo.
And then we're going to do a luau at night.
Yep, a luau at night.
And then
we'll
we're
be taking you there.
Yeah.
You'll see it.
We're going to do a mermaid snorkel. I can't wait.
She's going to be a mermaid.
Dude, you get to put the whole tail on and they video you. I'm so excited.
I'm excited for you.
And
I'm
then
going to do a 360 video underwater with you for that.
And then Bree and I are getting a tattoo that day.
Yeah.
And then Thursday we go home.
Yep. Next Thursday we go home. Today is Friday, so next Thursday we go home, and then back to real life, I guess.
Friday, May 30th is today.
Friday, May 30th, 2025.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well.
I'm ready to go to the beach.
All right. Well, we're ready to go to the beach, and you guys take care and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Mwah.
Or
Yep.
how do you do?
Hang loose.
Aloha.